Enter a world where danger meets mastery. Extreme demolitions and mind-blowing crane skills collide in this electrifying compilation. Feel the tension rise as these pros defy the odds and flirt with chaos. Are you ready to hold your breath? This is not for the faint of heart. Boom! The controlled blast rocks the river as the Milton-Madison Bridge's navigational channel collapses in seconds. Watch how engineering turns destruction into an art form, timed to perfection. At first glance, it looks like a robot dinosaur on the loose. But it's actually a Caterpillar demolition rig, armed with hydraulic jaws built to destroy. It clamps into the elevator shaft like it knows exactly where to bite. Within seconds, the concrete gives up. Oh my gosh! Thank goodness no one got hurt. That structure came down in mere seconds. An impressive demonstration of controlled demolition precision, wouldn't you say? Ever wondered what it looks like to bring down a Texaco awning in seconds? Watch as the Case CX-130 digs in and rips it down like it's made of cardboard. You won't believe the precision and the power. Amazing. This is the beauty of framed structure. Awesome engineering work.
Была, значит, такая история. Работали полтинником. Еле-еле снимал. Вот теперь работает 25 тонн.
In heavy lifting operations, equipment condition is critical. Inspecting the quality of your gear, especially when working with aged or used materials, is essential for safety. Always stay cautious.
Вот так вот это делается. А до этого был полтинник, ныл и уехал.
Time travel, anyone? Glencairn Tower in Motherwell came crashing down on November 20th, 2011, ending decades of history in just seconds.
9/11 in it?
Aye.
The moment when engineering calculations failed, leaving part of a building standing in Dallas, Texas, serves as a stark reminder of the importance of analyzing every mistake thoroughly and making necessary improvements. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind, and a 0 if it didn't quite impress you. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Here we have the house before the demolition. Pretty big machine.
To the trained eye, this is a textbook takedown. Watch as the excavator operator skillfully dismantles a typical home, one calculated move after another.
Now, as you're watching this, you'll see that he doesn't just, break it down, take off the aluminum siding at first. Now, this is one, as David mentioned earlier, he can make extra money from scrapping the aluminum siding.
Let's take a moment to salute the real daredevils, those working way up high, risking it all. This job isn't for the faint of heart. It takes nerves of steel, perfect timing, and fearless focus. If you're afraid of heights, look away now. These pros deserve nothing but respect. Would you have the guts? Boom. That's the sound of nearly 5 decades collapsing in seconds. The Bond Center, once topped by the legendary Mercedes Star, met its end with 250 kilograms of explosives, over 1,500 precise holes, one perfectly timed blast. Sometimes it's not explosions, it's raw muscle. Watch this excavator rip through the house like it's made of paper. Brick by brick, wall by wall, nothing stands a chance. There's something oddly satisfying about this kind of demolition. No noise, no drama, just pure, steady destruction. Out with the old, crushed by steel teeth. Watch the caterpillar. M324D2MH dismantle a Khrushchevka like it's a game of giant Jenga. Block by block, floor by floor. History meets heavy metal in this epic teardown. Think cranes are just machines? Think again. Tower cranes are the muscle behind modern cities. Sleek, smart, and essential. Controlled by skilled operators, they work non-stop in places packed with people. That's why they're no joke. These machines are classified as high-risk gear. Operators do way more than move levers. They know every bolt and switch. From maintenance to emergency repairs, they keep things running smoothly. To do the job, they need sharp senses and serious focus. Precision isn't optional, it's the whole game. Built back in 1937, this old overpass over the Skodnya River is coming down as part of the Volokolamskoye Highway reconstruction. Crews are using excavators fitted with hydraulic breakers to safely dismantle the structure. Given its age, careful work is needed to manage concrete fatigue and old steel. What's happening on Mount Street? Buildings are coming down fast, right next to St. Joseph's Orphanage. Are you watching the change unfold? The skyline is shifting, and history is being rewritten, live, brick by brick. K&E Excavating, blasting 4,000 cubic yards of rock along US 26 west of Mount Hood. One lane of traffic was open within 30 minutes after being covered in rocks from the blast. Rock blasting along the slopes along US 26 on Mount Hood will improve safety by preventing rocks from falling into the highway. Autocranes handle massive loads, but it's the slinger's role that ensures safety and precision. These skilled workers attach and secure cargo before the lift. Once the crane places the load, they detach and unstrap it, ensuring it is positioned exactly as required. It's a critical job in any heavy lifting operation.
Ура, все получилось.
Кажется, не течет, и то, что...
The Juntin PM26LC is hard at work on a construction site near Volokolamskoye Highway. This hydraulic pile driver is crucial for deep foundation work, especially for structures like bridges, buildings, or major infrastructure. It uses hydraulic power to drive piles deep into the ground, ensuring load-bearing stability. Precision matters here. Every inch driven secures the safety and durability of what's built on top.
Ну это же нихуя. Я уже снимал.
Once a family's shelter, now meeting steel teeth. I wonder what stories these walls could tell before the dust takes them. Someone's going to be fired for destroying the power line. Impressed by what you saw? Hit the like button and subscribe to stay informed about our latest content. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon on Forestry Tech.